The Renault Zoom was a forward-looking electric concept car developed by Renault in cooperation with Matra and first presented at the 1992 Paris Motor Show. Conceived as a compact urban vehicle, it combined unusual design solutions with early attempts at sustainable mobility. At its core, the Zoom was a two-seat city car with a variable wheelbase. In normal driving configuration, the car measured 2.65 meters, approximately 8.69 feet in length, offering stability and comfort even on uneven roads. When parked, the rear axle could fold forward beneath the car, reducing overall length to just 2.3 meters, approximately 7.55 feet. This adjustment made the Zoom short enough to park perpendicular to the curb, with 3 Zooms fitting into the space of a single Renault 19. Ground clearance increased in the folded position, and width remained constant at 1.52 meters, approximately 4.99 feet. Access to the cabin was equally inventive. The car used elytron doors mounted on axes inclined at 9 degrees. These scissor-style mechanisms required only 120 millimeters, approximately 4.72 inches, of side clearance, allowing passengers to enter and exit even in very tight spaces. Inside, the Zoom was surprisingly well equipped for an early 1990s concept, offering a Carminat navigation system, a CD stereo, and a hands-free telephone mounted in a central communication console. The seating layout was minimalist yet comfortable, recalling the simplicity of a modern lounge chair. Power came from an electric motor, rated between 25 kilowatts and 45 kilowatts depending on the source, with front-wheel drive through a continuously variable transmission. Top speed reached around 120 kilometers per hour, 74 to 75 miles per hour, while range was estimated at 150 kilometers, 93 miles. The car weighed approximately 800 kilograms and was designed with a high degree of recyclability. Renault claimed 90% of its materials could be reused. Composite body panels were self-colored, eliminating the need for paint, and certain structures such as the chassis and doors were built from recycled materials. Remarkably, parts of the body featured a self-healing molecular skin capable of repairing light scratches. Renault initially believed the Zoom could be priced close to a mid-range Clio, with projected sales of up to 100,000 units annually. The French government and energy company EDF even discussed installing charging infrastructure to support such vehicles. However, in the early 1990s, the electric vehicle network was still far from ready, and the project never moved beyond prototype stage. Although the Zoom did not enter production, its ideas influenced later projects. The concept of a folding or variable-length city car was echoed in designs such as the MIT City Car and the Hirico folding EV. Today, the Renault Zoom stands as an early example of inventive urban mobility, compact, environmentally conscious, and decades ahead of its time.